When you are going out to make big things happen in your life, you will face a lot of problems, a lot of obstacles, a lot of screwing up on the road, other people dumping on you, people and business partners that you used to trust on and trust in and had trust around will absolutely make sure that they break your trust. It's gonna happen. It's part of that process. You will face a lot of pain, you'll face a lot of challenges, struggles. But it's important to remember that those things are happening to you sometimes because you're going somewhere up. See, whenever you feel obstacle, that means you are moving up. That's why you are having that gravity pulling you down, right? People who are staying at one place, they don't have any problem most times. They don't face any problem, and the biggest problem that they have is they have no growth for themselves. Make sense? That light is bright behind me anyways. So, as a man, as a parent, as a professional, as a human being on this planet Earth right now, you might have some challenges in your finances, you might have some challenges in your health, in your relationships, in how you think, how you feel every single day when you come back from office. You might have some challenges in communication. You are not able to persuade. Maybe you're not getting that raise, you're not getting the praise, you're not getting the recognition, you're not getting that promotion, you're not happy, you are not absolutely sappy, you're not getting you're not being funny, you're not having the money, you're not getting the honey. But the reality is that you gotta take responsibility for that. See, average people do something incredibly bad, which is they blame somebody else. Oh, for you I'm not getting the raise, for you I'm not getting the praise, for you I'm not getting the promotion, for you I'm not able to be disciplined, for you I'm not able to have the focus, for you I'm not able to have the money, for you I'm not able to have the peace, for you I can't sleep. But successful people understand that it's not about them, it's about I am not able to have peace and I take responsibility for that. I'm not able to have that praise yet, and I'm willing to take responsibility for that. I'm not having the praise, and I'm willing to have responsibility for that. I'm not able to have that confidence in myself, and I want to take responsibility for that. See, people who are victim, people who are average, they stay in the problem, blame somebody else. That's why they stay with the problems for a long time. That's why they don't get a solution. But people who think smart, people who have higher level of self-esteem about themselves, people who are real men, not just male, but people who are real men, are people who look for a solution. And they understand that by blaming somebody else, they're not going to get the solution, right? So, oh, you. That is time spent blaming somebody, and that time you could be using for yourself, looking for a solution. Oh, I don't have confidence? Instead of blaming somebody else, let me look for a solution on how I can be a confident man. Make sense? Oh, I'm not getting time for myself? Instead of blaming somebody else, let me just look for a solution how I can find more time for myself. Or I'm not able to be a better husband, or I'm not able to connect with my wife deeply. Instead of blaming my wife, let me find out from the real man. Let me ask some people, let me do some research, let me maybe attend a workshop on how I can connect better with my wife. That's how you find a solution. So my question to you is, how much of your time you are spending right now looking for a problem versus looking for a solution? Because I can tell one thing about you right now. You're watching this video for one of two reasons. Number one, you came here to get some good ideas, and that's great. I think you found some. I think it inspired you to look for a solution, and that's great. And in that case, I wish you the best, and you can leave the video for now. But there is a second category of people who come to the video, people who are not looking for just ideas, people who are looking for a permanent solution to their problems. People are looking for a deep level transformation, a serious transformation. People who want to take charge in their lives, and they understand it starts and ends with their confidence level. Because if you want better children, you want to be a better father or a parent. If you want a better employer, you become a better employee. If you want a better relationship, you become the better person in the relationship. If you want a better house, be a better person staying in the house. If you want to have more peace, be a peaceful person. It starts and ends with you, because your career, your relationships, your health, everything is an extension of you. So what I do is I grow you. Not from the outside by changing your hairstyle and all that. People do that in some speaking courses. Everything is easy. We just make you walk differently and this. But what's gonna be a walk worth if inside you're broken and fucking exhausted? I grow you from the inside. When you have courage here, when you have complete certainty in yourself and you know how to think the right way, and then we will work on your outside, your systems in your business, your schedules, your relationships, your health, how you speak, how you get the raise, how you move in your career, how you're able to socially contribute. You rule your life. So if you are the second category of people who want to transform their lives and really rule your life, I would encourage you to reach out to us. My programs are not for everybody because I have a standard of the people that I work with. I don't know if you meet that standard. I don't know if you are a person of a good caliber because I don't know who's watching the video. Many people are. If you'd like to explore the opportunity to see what's next for you, reach out to us. Let's have a conversation, a heart-to-heart, no obligation conversation about yourself so we can find out the challenges that you're facing, what's holding you back, what you're doing right now in your life, in your confidence, in your career, in your speaking, in your communication, in your leadership, in your happiness that is blocking you from growing to that next level. And maybe you are blaming some of the things unconsciously. Maybe you're blaming yourself. Maybe you're looking yourself in the mirror and saying, you cannot do this anymore. You're such a quitter, right? Let's fix that. Reach out to us. Let's have a conversation to see how you can go from where you are as a man to how to be the confident man for your life. All right? Let's talk. A heart-to-heart conversation. Are you ready for it? Let's make it happen. This is Vishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.